Good morning everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7. How are you all? So welcome to the channel, and as you all know, we have started 50 days 50 classes in which we are discussing a particular chapter regarding your Indian economy and financial system at 7:30 AM only on this channel. Apart from that, the same series is going on for all of your JAIIB subject, but the timings are different. For PPB, you have to join at 7 AM, and for 7:30 AM, you will join the Indian economy and financial system session. That will go from Monday to Friday. Now, what happens on Saturday and Sunday, I will let you know in the end of the session. So, let's start the session. Before starting the session, I am your mentor Amanjot Kaur for Indian economy, Indian financial system, as well as for principles and practices of banking. So, every day we are discussing a particular chapter in which we are talking about the concepts in form of MCQ. So, what we are going to do today, so you can see we are going to discuss Module C, Unit 20. It means the Module A and Module B have been completed. The total 45 units are there in the Indian economy, Indian financial system subject. Out of that, 11 is in the Module A. From 12 to 19, it is in the Module B. And from Module C, we have 20 units. So, 20 to 28, you will find the Module C. After that, 29 to 45, you will find in the Module D. That's the biggest module of Indian economy, Indian financial system. So, we have completed 2 modules. If you haven't checked those sessions, do go to the channel, go to the playlist, and you will find all the sessions from first to till now. Okay, so let's start. But before starting the session with the MCQ, we will discuss the basic understanding of the financial system, and then we will move forward to the questions. So, if I talk about financial system, what actually the financial system is? The financial system is simply means the system in which funds will be exchanged. The system in which you are exchanging funds is known as financial system. Clear? So, the system in which we are exchanging fund is known as what? Financial system. So, if I am talking about financial system, it is the system where we do what? Where we exchange the funds among whom? Among the persons, or I can write directly here, among the persons who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money. To exchange the fund among the persons who have deficit of money and the persons who have surplus of money, this is known as financial system. So, financial system is simply means exchange of funds among the persons who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money. Surplus money persons means those persons who save their money, they are not investing, they are saving their money. These are the persons who are able to give fund to the persons who need the money. And to exchange this fund, what we need a certain component. So, the financial system of the country have a certain components. It have three components, sorry. It has how many components? 3 components are there. First, we have financial market. So, financial market is the market at where you exchange the certain financial instrument to fulfill your requirement of money. So, financial market is the place where you are able to raise your capital, to raise your funds. That's the financial market, okay? And there are so many financial market, money market, capital market, forex market, insurance market, etc. Now, if I talk about second, that is financial instruments. Then we have financial instrument. Financial instruments are those instruments which help you to raise fund. These instruments are used in the financial market to raise your fund. First, you can have shares, bond, debentures, call money, notice money, term money, certificate of deposit, mutual fund, etc. All these are the financial instruments. By selling, purchasing them, you will be able to raise capital from the market. Now, third, we have market participants. Third, we have what? We have market participants. Now, market participants are the persons or the institutions who participate in the economy or in the financial market. Like it can be anyone. It can be you, it can be me, it can be RBI, it can be government, it can be bank, it can be NBFCs. Anyone can participate in the market. Okay, it can be primary dealers as well. So anyone who is using the financial instrument in the financial market to raise capital or to exchange funds among the persons who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money, this is known as your financial system and the components of financial system. Clear? I hope it is clear. These are the three components. The detail of these components we are not discussing right now, just overview I have given you. Now, if I talk about the types of financial institution, we have two types. We have formal financial institutions. We have informal financial institutions. So, what is the difference between these two? The types of financial institutions, we have formal and informal. Formal financial institution is an institution which helps you, which helps you to do what? It helps you to maintain a certain standard in the transactions. Formal financial system is the financial system in which regulators will be there, like RBI, SEBI, IRDA, PFRD. These are the regulatory bodies and they regulate the system that is known as formal financial institution system. Okay, so formal financial institution means those institutions which have the regulatory bodies. They have proper guidelines, they have a standard of working, like they have defined this is the guidelines according to you have to work. So this is known as formal financial system. The informal financial system is a type of system where there is no regulatory body, where there is no rules, regulations, where there is no certain kind of guidelines or a standard have been given to the mediators, to the participants, to the regulators. Okay, because there is no regulator, there is no one to supervise you, there is no one to monitor you. In that situation, you will find the informal financial system. Now, the examples are formal financial system have banks, NBFCs, your mutual funds are there, all the kind of development financial institutions are there, they are the formal financial institution. Informal, we have money lenders, we have relatives, we have brokers like the jamidars and etc. Land holding farmers, etc. They are the informal financial institutions because they are not regulated, they are not supervised, they do not have a standard of work. They accordingly decide what they want to charge, how much they want to charge, and what condition of collateral they want. Everything will be decided by individual person. That's the informal. So this is the certain overview of Indian financial system. I hope you get it. Now we will be starting with the questions of this particular chapter, that is Indian financial system. So in the end of the session, I will be asking you all how many answers you have given correct. So do please count what answer you are giving right. And those who are watching us recorded, do let me know after you end the class. Then what you have to do, you simply okay, so let's continue. There was certain internet issue. I hope it's okay now. So let's continue the session. In this particular session, we have started the first question. The first question is asking which of the following is not the part of your informal financial system. So you have to answer which of the following is not a part of your informal financial system. So informal financial system means there is no regulatory body available. First is money lenders, mutual funds, relatives and Mahajan. So they are not a part of your informal financial system. So your money lenders are informal, relatives are informal, Mahajans are informal, but not the mutual fund. Mutual funds are regulated by SEBI. What is SEBI? Securities and Exchange Board of India. So mutual funds are the part of formal financial system. Okay. Now the second question, so right answer will be B option. The second question we have here, which of the following is not part of the formal financial system? Not a part of formal financial system we are talking about here. So the options we have, the first, association, banks, NBFCs, insurance companies. So which of the following is not the part of your formal financial system? The formal financial system which is regulated by the authorities like the RBI, SEBI, ADA, etc. So associations, banks, NBFCs, insurance. Insurance company regulated by ADA. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. NBFC is regulated by RBI. NBFCs incorporated under Companies Act, but they have been regulated by RBI. Banks regulated by RBI. but not the association. So associations are a part of informal financial system. So right answer will be A option. Okay. Next question is talking about which of the following are the part of the financial system. Which of the following are the part of the financial system that you have to answer here. First we have financial market, financial instrument, financial institutions, and all of the above. So which of the following you have a part of financial system? A, B, C or D? So it's very obvious. I have just told you that the financial system have three components: market participant, financial instrument, and the market participants. Then right answer will be all. All are the components or all are the part of financial system. So right answer will be D. Okay, next. Which was the first bank to establish in India? Achha, this question can be asked in three forms. The first form is which of the following is the first bank of India? They can ask second question, which of the following bank has introduced the formal financial system in the country? Third, they can ask in which particular year the formal financial system was launched in India. So these are the three ways to ask this question, and let me know which particular bank it was. It was SBI, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Hindustan or Bank of India. So you can know obviously it can't be SBI because SBI was not the first bank. We used to have the three presidency bank, Bank of Bengal, Bank of Bombay and Bank of Madras. These used to be three presidency bank. They all been amalgamated and introduced the Imperial Bank of India. And after that, Imperial Bank of India was changed into State Bank of India. That we have already know. So it can't be SBI. It can't be PNB. PNB established in 1894. So it can't be the right answer. So Bank of India and Bank of Hindustan, one of them will be the right answer. The right answer is Bank of Hindustan. 1770, the first Bank of India which had its headquarters at Calcutta. Okay, so this is what we're talking about. The first Bank of India is Bank of Hindustan. The first formal financial institution of our country is Bank of Hindustan, or in the year 1770. So the right answer will be your C option. Okay, next we have in which phases of development of financial system was focus led on setting up development financial institution. So development financial institutions are the kind of institution which are working on the development of a particular sector. Like we have NABARD. It works for agriculture and rural development. We have SIDBI. It works for small industries. We have Exim Bank, which works for export import of the country. We have NHB, which works for the housing sector. We have IFCI, which works for the big industries in the country. We have now the latest one, NABFID, that works for the infrastructure development of the country. So these all are the development financial institution of our country, and they work for the particular sector development in the country. So now let me know which particular phase focus on the development of development financial institution. Phase 1, 2, 3 or 4. Which of the following is correct? Phase 1, 2, 3 or 4. So right answer is your phase 2, in which we have introduced the development financial institution. Okay. So right answer will be B option. Next we have the Nursingman Committee 2 gave which of the following recommendation for strengthening the financial system in India. Okay, so what we're talking about, Nursingman Committee 2nd 1998, it gave which of the following recommendation for strengthening the financial system in our country. So we have here around 4 recommendation. Out of that you have to tell Nursingman Committee have given which of the following recommendation. Also, one way of asking question on the same topic will be like Nursingman Committee have given the recommendation on which sector. So we know Nursingman Committee has given the recommendation on the financial sector reform, but the financial sector reform was for particular which sector? It was for banking sector. So first is strengthening the banks in India, true. Narrow banking, true. Capital adequacy ratio, true. Review of banking laws, true. All these recommendation has been given by Nursingman Committee in 1998. So the right answer will be all of the above. Right answer will be what? All of the above. I hope it's clear. The option number D will be clear. And apart from that, a Nursingman Committee also said that Government of India has to, RBI has to reduce the CRR SLR rate also. Okay. So, a lot of recommendation has been given by Nursingman Committee and lot of recommendation have been accepted by the government also. Now, which of the following is correct regarding financial system? So, we have a particular statement about financial system, out of which you have to tell which of the following is correct. First, the formal financial sector, on the other hand, is categorized by the presence of an organized institutional regulated system, which caters to the financial needs of the modern sphere of economy. This is true. It's true. The formal financial institution or sector is actually regulated, organized or institutional. Second, banking institutions or depository institutions. These are those which include banks and other credit unions which collect money from public against interest provided on deposit made and lend the money to the ones in need. Okay, so what we are talking about here, simply the banking institution or the depository institution we are talking about. They are the institutions which actually covers banks and financial institutions who are allowed to accept deposit from the public, and then they will use that money or deposit of the public in investment or lending purpose. So, this is also true. Now, the non-banking institution or non-depository institutions are those institutions which cover insurance, mutual fund, brokerage companies that fall under the category. So, they cannot ask monetary deposit but sell financial products and services. That's true. Insurance company cannot accept deposit from the public. They are simply selling their insurance products. Similarly with the mutual fund. So, the right answer will be all are correct. All the statement about financial system are correct. So, right option will be D. So, these kind of a statement question give you the insight about the topic also. That's why it's very important you read all the statements here. Now, next question is asking about that the financial market has 4 major segments. Which of the following is not one of them? So, they have 4 major segments. Out of these types, which of the following is not a part of financial market? And options you have: money market, foreign exchange market, capital market, insurance market, monopoly market. So, you know money market is regulated by RBI. You know forex market is also regulated by RBI. Capital market regulated by SEBI. The insurance market regulated by Adda. So, all these are the financial market but not the monopoly market. Monopoly market is the market where you will find single seller in the market. So, when a single seller have its monopoly in the market, that is known as monopoly market. Like he is the only seller there, whatever he or she wants in the monopoly market, that's what is going to happen in the economy, because they are the single seller or say they are the single player in the economy, and that is known as monopoly market. So, this is not your one of the financial segment, financial market. So, right answer is only 5. Only 5 is not the one of the financial markets. Right answer will be D option. I hope it's clear. Achha, I haven't written the option here. So, right answer will be your D option. Okay. Next we have the informal financial institution do not include. The informal financial institution do not include out of these 7 examples, which of the following is not a part of your informal financial institution. So, informal means no regulatory body. So, first of all, I can simply say individual money lenders, could be traders, relatives, they are informal. You have to answer which of the following are not, but they are informal. Second option is saying non-banking financial institution, they are not informal. They are the formal. NBFIs are the formal. RBI regulates them. Okay, now groups of person who could be operating as association and fund, they are informal. Financial regulators are formal. Local brokers, pawn brokers was your informal. Non-banking financial enterprise like finance, investments and fund, they are informal. Development financial institutions are formal. So, 2nd, 4th and 7th are not the part of informal financial institution. It means option number D will be correct. Which option is correct? Option number D will be correct, because 2nd, 4th and 7th are the formal financial institution. They have the regulatory body. So, right answer will be D. Okay. Now, Read the following statement carefully and choose the incorrect one in relation to the global financial crisis. So, global financial crisis, you all have heard about it. We also discussed that to reduce or to eliminate or to reduce the impact of global financial crisis in India, the government of India and RBI has given a lot liquidity in the market. So, the question asking here first, it happened after Great Depression. Obviously, it happened after Great Depression because global financial crisis happened in 2007 and 8, Hana? Now, the global financial crisis originated in EU. No, it was originated in US. This is incorrect. Second one is incorrect. Okay, now, the financial crisis forced the solvency of many banks and financial institutions, US and the world. No, it is also incorrect. It is also what? It is also incorrect. It have already impacted the US, not only the whole world. In a nutshell, the whole financial system was frozen. This is true. Because of the global financial system, the whole financial system froze for a particular period of time. It means the incorrect option we have second and third. Second and third are the incorrect option. So, right answer will be your D option. Okay. Right answer will be what? D option. So, this was the unit number 20 which we have discussed, Hana. So, first of all, let me know in the comment section how many answers you have given correct. Also, now this is not sufficient to cover the whole syllabus. So, if you are thinking about going for a topic wise classes or conceptual classes, for that first of all download the application and then you can go to the Mahapak, because the Mahapak right now is providing you 81% discount plus the double validity. And one more better thing is available here, like lot of banker thinks about like this, na, why would I purchase 1 year validity of Mahapak, because the paper is in the October only. So, that's why one more important thing we have changed for all of you after seeing your demand. So, first of all, these are the batches. Okay, this is the Mahapak. Whatever batch or individual batch or Mahapak you want to go, just click on the particular product. The process is same. I will tell you one time process. So, what you have to do, first of all, going to the product. After going to the product, check the offering of products. Hana, what you have to do, you have to check the offerings of the product. When you check offerings of the product, you will find live classes, test series, ebooks, video. Apart from that, test series will be available, your topic wise and your full length mock test will be available. Everything is there. Then do check the validity. You can see double validity is going on 6 plus 6 months, 12 plus 12 months, and one more Mahapak is there, that is only for 3 months. So, after checking all these things, Maha Marathon, Mini Marathon will be also included here. Hana? After checking all these things, click on the buy now option and then you have to use the code MOON80 to get 80% discount. Okay, MOON80 is the code that will give you 80% discount, but if you want 1% additional discount, then use the coins which are available on application. That's why I am saying purchase from the application. Okay, and here 1% additional discount will be available for you. This is for the 6 plus 6 month. Accordingly, the price will differ. If you purchase for 3 months, price will be less. For 6 plus 6 month high, and maximum will be for 12 plus 12 month. But the process to enroll in any product will be same and the code will also be same, that is MOON80, MOON80. And then what you have to do, if you find any kind of problem now at the time of enrollment, you can call on this number and ask your query. They will resolve your issue. Okay. Now, so if you want to enroll, just download the application and this is how you can enroll. Apart from that, these sessions will be available for all of you from Monday to Friday at 7 AM for PPB, 7:30 AM for Indian economy, Indian financial system, but Monday to Friday. On Saturday, you will find weekly revision sessions and on Sunday, you will find special sessions like master class, rapid fire, 50 minutes, 50 question, etc. And all this will be available only on Offices Adda 24/7. So, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you at the time. And this is which is required to clear the paper. The conceptual understanding, the practice, the revision, all together is required to clear the paper. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt. Also, let me know what are your score in this particular session. If you are new to the channel, go to the playlist section. Do watch all the sessions which I have already taken. From module 1 chapter A till module B chapter 19 we have discussed. This is the chapter 20. Okay, so do make sure you join those sessions. Okay, so thank you all for joining the session and have a great day everyone. Take care.